We're getting wild in the outdoor kitchen today. I'm here with Chef Jim Kinberg, and if you're a winter camper, this recipe is for you. Chef Jim, what are we making today?
We're doing some fancy French toast.
Fancy French toast, which is perfect if you're winter camping because you want to make sure you have enough fuel for the day.
This recipe takes care of that, yes.
I love it. I can see we're using a Dutch oven for breakfast this morning.
We sure are. This is actually one of my favorite outdoor cooking, low and slow recipes for sure. This one's kind of fancy. We're going to actually give this a little flip instead of just the conventional put the hot coals on top approach.
How much butter do we need, Chef?
About approximately 2 tablespoons should work.
2 tablespoons.
Oh, we got that nice sizzle going. Next step is going to be, I've got some granola, you got it. Half of that in the bottom of the pan.
How much is this? Approximately a cup?
That is approximately a cup. That's good, perfect.
All right.
So next step, if you want to grab that bowl over there, you'll notice I've got all these ingredients already prepped, ready to go. So it's real quick and easy to put this together. So let's place half of that bread in there.
Is this fresh bread or a day-old bread? What kind of bread do we need?
This is day old. This is the discounted stuff at your bakery or the stuff you didn't eat fast enough in your house.
Even better.
Yeah. So next we're going to add our egg mixture, our custard.
And what's in the egg mixture?
So we have whole eggs, and then we have a little bit of cream, a little bit of cinnamon. Mix that together, get it in there.
Into the pan?
Into the pan. Get it in there. I think we're ready for the stuffing.
Is that this?
That is that. So once again, it's in the Ziploc bag, and that's cream cheese, maple syrup, and egg yolk.
So we just drizzle this over?
Right around, yeah. Fill the bottom of that. We've got a black raspberry. These are wild Minnesota raspberries. All right, then we'll just kind of repeat that process.
Looks good. You weren't joking when you said fancy.
We're not done yet. We've still got some more bread. We're going to repeat that first step.
Right on top?
Right on top. Great. Put the remaining granola on top. So we've got everything loaded inside. It's time to put the lid on it and let it go.
Time for the baking process. All right, now we wait.
Now we wait. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. Ooh, I can smell it, so that's exactly what I'm hoping to see. So, remember before I mentioned we're gonna flip this baby over. Ta-da! It's about 10 minutes on that opposite side, so everything's already nice and warm in there.
All right, I think it's been 30 minutes.
Ready to check?
Let's check.
Let's go for it. All right, ready for the big reveal? How do we do?
Ooh, I think we did good. This looks incredible, Chef.
Thank you.
An easy recipe to keep you fueled for some outdoor winter fun. Going in for a taste test.
Do it, please.
So good.